I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Activating an ESIM on your iPhone with Telus can be straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Check compatibility. Make sure your iPhone model supports ESIM functionality. Most recent models do, but it's good to double check. Step 2. Obtain ESIM activation details. Contact Telus customer support or visit their website to get your ESIM activation details. You'll need a QR code or activation code. Step 3. Open settings. On your iPhone, go to the Settings app. This is where you'll manage your cellular plans. Step 4. Add cellular plan. In the cellular section, tap on Add cellular plan. Use your camera to scan the QR code provided by Telus or enter the activation code manually. Step 5. Label your plan. Once the ESIM is added, you can label it for easy identification like Telus. This helps if you have multiple plans. Sometimes, the QR code might not scan correctly due to lighting conditions. If that happens, try adjusting the angle or using manual entry. I hope this guide helps you get your ESIM activated smoothly. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.